People helping you. Yes. You don't want things showing in the back of you.
You don't want. You always have a picture and you have your bra showing.
Here, hold that. Well, she asked for a safety pin, honey. Here you go.
Sorry.
Hi. Just think this will all be you in just a few years. How old are you?
10.
Oh, yes, you do. You got like 6 or 7 years.
Mhm. You want to go with Tyler? No. Okay, you better. Okay, you ready? Yes. Ready?
We waiting on your dad.
Come on out.
I'm not going to be driving you.
Kobe's of Japan.
You want me to drive? Okay.
I'm trying to get a little seat there.
Okay, will you take Trey to Michelle's house?
I'm going to take it.
Okay. Somebody get the keys and get to getting.
And we'll be up to the school to pick you up. I need to find out what part area of
Hi, Dad. What's your name?
Yes.
Kevin, I'm Erica. I'm the aunt. And Mom, what's your name?
Stacy.
Oh, there we go, Stacy.
You look familiar though to me.
You know what? It could be. Oh, you're in healthcare.
No, I'm not. I am in. I'm a hairstylist.
Well, maybe you maybe caught me because I don't know. You do. I went to a couple of hair shows with a friend. Who knows? The church, Grace Church.
Hallelujah.
Great church.
Grace Church. That's what it is. Grace Church. See, there we go. You know, it's a bunch of us there. Oh. Can we get a hook? Jason, can we get a hook? Oh my God! He's like, what? What? He wants to sing the song. You don't know no Trey Songz song? Are you really shy?
Yeah.
Really? Mom, is he shy? Oh, okay. Well, then it's okay if you act shy, since you are really shy. Somebody smells good. Now, is that you smelling good? That's him smelling good? What did you put on him? Sweet. Your mama did you good. Your mama did you good. What did you say? Huh? What? Bye. Bye. Goodbye.
Did I go anywhere?
Stop videotaping you.
No,